comes Jake the spider.
Some people think that spiders are insects, but that's not true. Spiders are actually members of the arachnid family.
Oh dear, Jake. It looks like you're limping on one of your legs. What happened? That sounds like a nasty fall. Let me take a look at that for you. Robbo, I think we need to take an X-ray of one of Jake's legs.
One X-ray coming right up.
Spiders don't have bones like you and me. They are arthropods, which means their skeleton is on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton. If you look, you can clearly see here that poor Jake has broken one of his legs. I think we need to put that leg in a cast, which will give it the support it needs whilst it heals. Whilst Robbo is putting Jake's cast on, shall we count how many legs Jake has? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. That's you all fixed, Jake. Now don't climb any walls or water spouts for 2 weeks and try to get plenty of rest. Felix, you're an hour late.
Tortoises can live for a very long time. Some can live to 150 years old.
I think I know what the problem is, Felix. Are you tired of being late for everything? It must be very difficult walking quickly with that big, heavy shell of yours. Do you have any ideas, Robbo?
I do have something in mind. Roller skates!
Great idea, Robbo. Let's try on this pair of roller skates. Let's try it out, Felix. Try and zoom around the cones.
Ready, steady, go!
Well done, Felix. I don't think you'll be late again. Here comes Jimmy the rabbit. Oh dear. It looks like Jimmy may be allergic to something. I wonder what it could be. What have you been eating, Jimmy? I have an idea. Look at that. I think Jimmy is allergic to carrots. Can you tell us what an allergy is, please, Robbo?
An allergy is when your body's immune system makes a bit of a mistake and thinks something harmless is dangerous to your body.
In Jimmy's case, his body is reacting badly to carrots. Not to worry, there are lots of other delicious vegetables that you can eat instead. We have broccoli, cabbages, and squash. They are all super healthy and taste fantastic. Look, the squash is even the same colour as carrots, but it won't make you sneeze. Yummy, yummy. Here comes Henrietta Hen.
Did you know that hens are omnivores, which means that as well as eating seeds and vegetables, they also eat insects and small animals like mice?
What seems to be the problem? Look! Henrietta's laid 4 eggs, but they're all different shapes and sizes and not at all the right shape for an egg. I think Henrietta has forgotten what shape egg she needs to lay. Robbo, shall we try and remind her?
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta, what's the right shape egg? It's an oval, an oval. Oh, my friend Henrietta, you lay lovely eggs. But what is the right shape? Can anybody guess? Is it a square?
No, that's not right.
Is it a circle?
Close, but I'm not ready to bite.
Is it a triangle? Is it a rectangle? No, it's an oval, an oval. Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid?
Square, circle, triangle, rectangle.
Henrietta, what's the right shape egg? It's an oval, an oval.
Henrietta has laid a perfectly shaped egg.
So now we know that oval is the right shape for an egg. This is Gordon the hamster.
Hamsters like Gordon are very good at digging. They create big burrows in the soil where they live.
Hi, Gordon. You look like you're enjoying your wheel there. Oh dear, this is not good. It looks like you're going to be sick. Have some water. Water makes you feel better by getting rid of headaches and keeping you refreshed. How often do you spin in your wheel, Gordon? I think Gordon is travel sick. If you're going to play on your wheel for that long, you need something that will stop you feeling sick all the time. Ask your mummy or daddy to give you a spoonful of this every morning when you wake up and at night when you go to sleep, and you can play all day long. Let's see how many circles Gordon can do in his wheel now, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Fantastic, Gordon. You really are talented. What a fabulous day in the treatment room. To watch more videos, just tap here, or to subscribe to Toddler Fun Learning, you can tap here. See you next time. Bye.